All right, so patient I just took care of came from pretty far away for upper eyelid and facial skin rejuvenation. So this is a patient in her mid-50s. She's not given me permission at this point to share her photos, or else I would do that. But she's had skin that's been drooping down from her upper eyelid area to cover her eyelashes. So she's not able to see her eyeshadow, and her eyes don't look as youthful as they used to. But the rest of her feels, and she feels very young. She also has a lot of age spots, sunspots from the skin, from sun damage, and different things like that. So we've been talking for 2 years. She's been doing research for 2 years. She is a healthcare professional, and so she's extremely smart. She knows what's going on. And so she came up here, and we just finished upper lid blepharoplasty. What's involved in this surgery usually takes about 45 minutes, and I'm removing skin and some of the fullness behind the upper eyelid. This has got to be done very, very carefully because you want to remove much skin as possible, but if you remove too much, it's really bad. So, and if you don't remove enough, you're not going to be happy. So there's really this narrow window of margin for error, in my opinion, in that procedure. The other thing that's really important in an upper eyelid surgery is how much tissue is removed from the back behind the eye, behind the skin. Too much skin or too much fat or muscle is removed, that's going to look hollow and unnatural. And so you have to really do a little bit of sculpting, but not too much to keep it looking natural. And then the last thing that matters big time is how the incision line is closed. And so I'll show you, we'll post here a picture of a previous patient of how these lines are closed in our patient population. I've done a lot of different things over the years and how to close them, but this is what I like the best. It gets a nice tight closure. Patients heal really well. So then we resurfaced her skin with our laser. And so she'll have about 4 or 5 days of downtime. That's what she had kind of requested. She has to go back to work. And so she will do wonderfully with this and look great. And maybe she'll let us show you her pictures at some point. Thanks for watching.